What's good, y'all? What's good? It's C Will back at you with another video for the Passive Income Network. I appreciate y'all for tapping in with me on this video. On this video, I'll be diving into dividend stocks, and particularly a monthly dividend stock. I believe monthly dividend stocks are one of the best assets I could possibly have in my portfolio. I'm going to tell you all about pretty much my favorite so far, and it's called GAIN. Ticker symbol GAIN, G-A-I-N, and it is a great monthly dividend stock I have found. So over here, it's called Gladstone Investments, right? Founded in 2005, Gladstone Investment Corporation, on the NASDAQ ticker symbol GAIN, is a private equity fund focused on acquiring mature, lower middle market companies with attractive fundamentals and strong management teams. So they're basically acquiring companies, like we say, little market, so a few $1 million, a couple $100 million. They're acquiring these companies. This is more of like a holding company, right? And they acquire companies that have good fundamentals, meaning a good, management team. They have a good product. They have a good fit and business plan, everything, blah, 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 to stick through the market, right? And as a publicly traded business development company, GAIN provides both equity and debt capital, which greatly increases certainty and speed of closing, as well as provides GAIN's shareholders with both current yield in the form of monthly dividends and potential capital gains upside. So they're acquiring these companies, they're developing these companies, then these companies are producing profits. They're taking these profits, right, and then they're giving it back to me and the shareholders and the rest of the investors. And then when something really pops off, you get another kickback, and they do it every single month. And right now they pay 7 cents, and they've been paying 7 cents for each dividend for a long time. So I've been stacking them up, right? So in addition to providing most, if not all, of the equity and debt capital required to close a transaction, GAIN has no partnership end-of-life deadlines and can structure investments in line with long-term needs of businesses we invest in. By providing truly patient, long-term capital, GAIN is a value-added partner to companies we invest in. So when GAIN that want to put their money in a company, they're like, bro, we gonna be around for a long time. You gonna be around for a long time. We figure we're gonna go in together, right? So that makes me feel real good. I'm just hella happy about the GAIN. And right now the stock is at $12.98, right? Let's go to the max. Let's see. And its all-time high was about in 2005, around $16. That's exactly right when it popped off, and it makes sense. So what this is telling me is that GAIN has steadily been around since 2005, getting it in. You know what I'm saying? Paying dividends and and growing. So right, and then the lowest it's been is at $3.86 in 2009, which was 4 years later. Ever since then, it's been slowly on the climb. So something happened, the excitement must have went away, and now they have to work their way back up. People who brought that dip really made a flip. So right now, I have an average cost, go to my stock portfolio, of $11.88 right now, which puts me at a 9% growth. I have 9% growth on my GAIN stock. So $11, so my money is growing, and I'm very excited about that. But not just that, I've been receiving dividends every single month from GAIN stock. And what dividends do is that they give me pride that I'm actually making money while I'm asleep. Like every single month, I can count on GAIN stock to give me some dividends, and I can count on them to also give me some growth over time, because it's about having time in the market. You know what I'm saying? So $11.88. Right now, it's at a market price, like I said, $12.98. I have a 9% growth. So I'm talking to y'all about this because I think if you ain't investing in some stocks that pay monthly dividends or quarterly dividends, or giving some capital gains out their profits, you should definitely look into. And GAIN, ticker symbol GAIN, is a great stock for you to look at and to start with. And it's pretty much my biggest holdings, I would say. And GameStop, yeah, it's my biggest holding in GameStop. I'm telling you, it's consistent. In the last 5 years, it flipped and went 100% flip. So that's a good sign that it has steady growth for a nice stock, and it's liquid. I just do it on Robinhood app. If I ever needed to get some money out of that stock, I cash it out. It happens in 3 and 4 days. And so I know it's good, but I'm not doing that. This is my long-term game plan and hold, because if you watch my very, very first video, it's about me getting $3,000, first starting with $1,000 a month, but working my way to $3,000 a month in passive income. And I'm doing it through the stock market, through cryptocurrency, and online business. And then eventually we'll add other businesses and things that will help create passive income, other products and services or whatever I need to do. But I'm very excited to talk to you about this on my journey. Gladstone Investment Corporation. Make sure y'all tap in on it. It's a great monthly dividend paying stock. Get your income up. Seawell Records, passive income, gone.
Close a deal on new places. Sign a lease, new location, motivated, blue faces. That's why I'm in new places. Know my girl want new dishes. In the backyard, koi fishes. Papaya for breakfast, coffee. We eating on clean dishes.